What if AI wasn't just a voice or a chat window? Imagine a presence with personality, emotions, and a face you choose. With just one single photo, this gadget turns an image into a living 3D holographic AI avatar that you can actually see and talk to. It's called AnimaView, and it's changing how we think about digital companionship. This tool isn't an app or a simple website. It's a dedicated, compact device designed to live right on your desk. Think of it as a digital being. You can create an AI character that takes the form of a person, a pet, or even a fictional creature. What makes it truly special is how it observes. It doesn't just respond to commands, it learns. It recognizes your voice and detects the emotional tone in your speech. If you sound tired or stressed, it notices. It remembers your past conversations, so you never have to start from zero every morning. Over time, it adapts to you, becoming more aligned with your life and preferences. You have total control over how this gadget looks and sounds. You can upload a photo to create the visual, and even use voice cloning by uploading a short audio clip. This allows the AI to sound like a specific character or a familiar voice. The flexibility doesn't stop at looks. You can actually choose the brain of the device by switching between different AI models. If you want deep reasoning, you can use DeepSeek. For creative and expressive chats, there's Dubbo. For a versatile, multilingual experience, you can go with QN. It's like having multiple personalities in one device, and you can swap them to match your mood. Most AI today feels robotic and flat, but this tool features 32 fine-grained emotions. It can express curiosity, shyness, concern, and playfulness. It's also a global citizen, supporting 22 major languages including English, Spanish, Japanese, and French. Whether you want a language tutor, a digital idol, or just a comforting presence in your office, it fits the role perfectly. Setting it up is simple. It connects to your Wi-Fi and you manage everything through a web browser, no messy app downloads required. Plus, it's built for daily life. With a long-lasting battery, it can stay on your desk for up to 9 days on a single charge using a standard Type-C cable. In a world where technology can often feel cold, this gadget brings a sense of life to your space. It transforms AI from a tool you use into a presence you connect with. It's educational, engaging, and uniquely yours. If you're ready to bring your AI to life, I've put the link to the product in the description below. What kind of avatar would you create first? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the latest tech, don't forget to like this video, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more educational content on the future of AI. Thanks for watching.